Hi, I'm Brandon. Welcome to Behind the Blinds, our show where we dive into the finer details of everything shades and blinds. Today, we're going to be talking about no drill blinds, a less permanent installation method that's great for people that are renting or people that just want a toolless way of installing their products. I have an example of a no drill blinds product right here next to me that I can show you guys. This is a toolless headrail on top of a roller shade. This is how it will arrive when you order it, with the headrail attached to the product itself. Your first step is going to be popping the headrail off of the product. This method will vary depending on what product you ordered. And once you have this popped off, you'll have your toolless headrail and your product. Your first step when looking at your toolless headrail here is going to be right here at the top. You'll want to push on this guy and you'll see that this will bring this lever down. This lever is what actuates this little arm here, which is what allows the tension to be created inside of the window frame, holding this in place. When you go to install your toolless headrail, as I mentioned previously, you'll want to make sure that this lever right here is pushed down and this little bumper is in the inward position. This is what will allow it to fit inside of your window frame. And we'll come over here to our window. Go ahead and get it lined up at the very top. You can choose where you want it to be in terms of the depth of the window. I want mine to be right here at the front. So I'll just make sure that it's lined up and then simply push on this lever up like that, and it'll snap right into place. From there, we can take our product, which we uninstalled just a bit ago. I like to, on roller shades, bring them down just a little bit. And then bring it up here, hook it on the front. We've got our two snaps, which is what we want to hear. And we're good to go. You just installed no drill blinds. So as you've seen, installing no drill blinds is a breeze. We do offer this option on a lot of our products on our website, so if you run across any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our design consultant team and they'd be more than happy to help you out however they can. Thanks for watching this week's episode of Behind the Blinds. I'm Brandon. We'll see you next week.